Captain Bobby, look at taking down the equipment, helping me out. Never mind, she's just fixing her shoes. Britt, you just sang Dollar Dollar. How was that? You didn't even hear what I said. I said sang. You're not even denying it. Alright guys, look, we just practiced on a rainy day. And I don't know when the next time is we're gonna have umbrellas. And everyone's umbrellas here are pretty awesome. So like, hang on, look at mine. Alright, it's UV proof too. Ow! Yeah, Brittany's just like the Lamborghini of umbrellas. Look at that. Fold it, get wet and fold it. I don't care about you, just fold it, I wanna see it. That's lit.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
You got a basic one.
I do have a basic one. What did you say?
Next time we'll give you a heads up, okay? Bobby, what about you? What do you got there? A Lolita one, right?
I have a Target umbrella.
Target umbrella? Ah! This guy's in your umbrella. It's fine. I only got her physically. It's fine.
I'm so sorry.
Raimi.
Hi.
Hello. What kind of umbrella do you got?
Purple.
Purple? Where's it from, though?
Prince.
Thought so. Prince's personal umbrella?
Yes.
Okay, so we know people out here. We know people.